Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how you can set your cute email or Gmail in your account. Just open your account. Like you can see, there are total 32 cute email in the account. So we will fix this problem. Just go in your Google setting and refresh your account and update your Gmail, so this problem will be fixed automatically. You can check like now the system start working. Like I have updated my account, so now system is sending the cute email. Like we will see, if we find any kind of error, so maybe it will give us failed email. So the problem of cute email will be resolved after updating your Gmail account in your Google Play. Thank you for watching this video.